for Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development, Honorable Alice WAHOME, who will in turn invite His Excellency the Deputy President. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali. Karibu.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, Mama Rachel, Excellency, the Governor for this county, the city of Eldoret, Excellency Governors, all protocols observed. Your Excellency, in the interest of time, I'll be very brief. First, Your Excellency, is to thank you as the Cabinet Secretary for Urban Development, Housing and Urban Development, for being here to give us the charter for this city. And I recognize, Your Excellency, that this is a very auspicious moment. Eldoret hamjambo. Wananchi hamjambo. Mambo. Mumesikia sasa, you are the city, the newest city, the fifth city. The first one is Nairobi City. You are the fifth city. Then let me tell you a few things about your city and how we shall continue working as a city. Quickly, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that I stand here before you today on this historic occasion as we confer city status, Your Excellency leading the troop for this moment. This moment, Your Excellency, marks a significant milestone in the journey of this vibrant municipality that has now gained a new status of a city. Your Excellency, the conferment of a city status is not merely a title that we have gained today, but a recognition of the readiness and capability of Eldoret to embrace the responsibilities and opportunities that come with this new status. As the ministry responsible for lands, physical planning, public works, and urban development, it is our duty to ensure that this transformation that has occurred today is guided by robust legal frameworks and sound urban planning. Your Excellency, urban development in Kenya is guided by a robust set of legal frameworks designed to ensure sustainable, organized, inclusive growth. Key among these, Your Excellency, is the one you have cited, the Urban Areas and Cities Act 2011, and Kipchumba was bragging there, my colleague Kipchumba, that he's single-handedly actually drafted the law. He also brought an amendment in 2019, Makofi kwa Kipchumba Murkomen, which sets the criteria and governance structures for urban areas and cities, a national urban development policy, which then also provides strategic direction for managing urbanization and regional development. Additionally, Your Excellency, the Physical Planning Act governs the preparation and implementation of land use plans. This is something, Your Excellency, that governors need to take very seriously. Your Excellency, the frameworks provide legal covenants that ensure every town aspiring to gain city status undergoes a rigorous and transparent process. The aim is to guarantee the transformation into a city. That transformation into a city is not only a reflection of population growth, because you have to gain the necessary 250,000 population, but also that there is economic vibrancy, but also planning strategically. We want to have sustainable development in this city, among other cities, inclusive governance that includes the participation of the residents of the new city. Together, these frameworks then will guide our new city. Your Excellency, Eldoret, I wish to confirm that before arriving at today, Your Excellency, the department led by Principal Secretary Hinga, with the guidance of Your Excellency, went through rigorous vetting to gain this status. So I want to confirm that the city, under the guidance and leadership of Governor, acquired this status through the front door. Eldoret's rise into a city is a testament to the power of collaboration and the national and county, between both national and county governments, and we want to confirm that this is a principle that the ministry will continue to hold dear. As Eldoret steps into the new role of a city, it will serve as a model of what can be achieved, and of course we'll have to catch up with the other 4 cities. Therefore, Governor, you have a partner in the ministry, you have a partner in His Excellency, the President, and we do agree, Your Excellency, the cities will require special arrangement in terms of funding so that they can deal with the real issues that these people intend to achieve. I want to finalize and say, the people of this city, you will have then to understand that you need to be serious partners with your governor. But the governor must also take up the responsibility as a county government to provide water and sanitation, provide access roads, ensure, in partnership with the national government, security for business is secured, ensure that we have electricity connection, therefore working with the national government. Your Excellency, I take it very seriously that this city, so that I can conclude, is the home of the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya. Therefore, I want to confirm to the residents that we as a ministry, with your support, shall put our best foot forward. We will be in top gear to ensure that these residents get what a city should provide. Namtakia mema, but you must agree to be partners with your government to produce revenue. To produce revenue, because one of the conditions for the county, for the city to be a city, is that there will be serious revenue generation. And I think for us to get there, obviously, to get your services, be good partners with the national government and the county government. It is now my pleasure and humble duty